Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're going to make your mind your teammate, not your opponent. The topic is simple, powerful, and very practical. 7 simple tricks to reprogram your subconscious mind. Think of your subconscious as your autopilot. It runs your habits, your tone, your first reactions. That autopilot is programmed by repetition, emotion, and environment. The great news: you can change the code with small, steady inputs. No magic. Just clear tools, simple words, and daily reps that reshape your inner patterns. Before we begin, one promise: we'll keep this science friendly and real. These tools use basics of habit formation, attention, and memory. They're not a replacement for therapy or medical care, but they will help you steer your thoughts, calm your body, and choose better actions on purpose. Rewrite your self-talk with proof. Your brain believes your voice. If your daily script is "I can't focus," your autopilot looks for proof. Change the script, then give it evidence. Swap "I am" traps for growth language. Say, "I'm learning to focus. I choose one thing at a time. I'm the kind of person who finishes what I start." Now attach action. Do a 2 5-minute starter on your most important task and log it each evening in an evidence line. Started proposal, 5 minutes. Walked 7 minutes. Closed social apps for 30 minutes. Words start the process. Small proof seals the deal. Repeated tiny wins teach your subconscious: this is who we are now. Use "if," then plans to beat old loops. Willpower is weak when you're tired. Pre-decisions are strong. Write simple "if," then rules that intercept your old patterns. If I feel the urge to scroll during work, then I will stand, take 3 slow breaths, and write one sentence. If I wake up anxious, then I will drink water, see daylight, and do 60 seconds of movement before touching my phone. If I feel criticized, then I will ask one clarifying question before I respond. Put your top 3 "if," then rules where you'll see them. You're not fighting the old habit. You're installing the new move faster. Visualize for 90 seconds. Then move for 90 seconds. Mental rehearsal works best when it's brief and followed by action. Each morning, close your eyes for 90 seconds. See one tiny scene: your fingers typing the first lines, your shoes hitting the ground for a short walk, your calm voice starting a tough call. Make it visual and feel the emotion of finishing that small step. Then within 2 minutes, do 90 seconds of the real thing. Open the doc and write 3 lines. Walk to the corner and back. Dial and say the first sentence. The message to your subconscious is clear. When we imagine it, we immediately do it. That pairing rewires faster than visualization or action alone. Prime your mind before sleep. Sleep is when your brain consolidates what matters. Give it the right material. Do a short nightly close. Write 3 wins, even tiny, 2 lessons, and 1 priority for tomorrow. Keep screens low for the last 30-60 minutes if you can. Read your 1-sentence intention out loud. Tomorrow I finish the first draft of page 1, or tomorrow I train for 10 minutes. Then visualize the first step for 10 seconds and sleep. Last thoughts become tomorrow's autopilot. Keep it simple, steady, and repeatable. Design your environment to carry you. Your surroundings are louder than your intentions. Make good habits easy and bad habits annoying. Put your phone in another room during deep work. Use a site blocker for your weak apps in the first hour. Lay out your tools at night. Open notebook, charged laptop, water ready, shoes by the door. Pin one learning app to the home screen and bury social apps in a folder. Keep healthy snacks visible, hide the sugar. The rule is friction down for the good, friction up for the bad. Your environment should whisper all day: do the thing. Change your state, then change your story. Your subconscious listens to your body. A stressed body produces stressed thoughts. Use quick state shifters. Try the 4-6 breath. Inhale through your nose for 4, exhale for 6, 10 times. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and lengthen your exhale. Do a 60-second reset walk or 20 light squats. Name what you feel without judgment, noticing worry, noticing anger. Then give your mind a new line: here's my next small move. State first, story second. Calm body, clear mind, better choices. Install repetition with a scoreboard. Reprogramming is repetition. Make it visible and light. Choose 1-10-minute daily habit that matches your new identity. Write, read, train, budget, practice. Track it with a tiny scoreboard on paper, 7 boxes for the week. Check the box each time you do the rep. When you miss, don't spiral. Restart the next day and protect the streak again. Add a weekly reflection. What helped? Where did I slip? What one tweak makes next week easier? Your subconscious learns from what you repeat, not what you regret. A simple morning-evening loop to lock it in. In the morning, say your identity line. I'm the kind of person who starts with one honest block. Do 90 seconds of visualization and then 90 seconds of action on your key task. Run one short focus block with your phone away. In the evening, write your 3 wins, 2 lessons, and tomorrow's 1 priority. Read it out loud, breathe 4-6 for a minute, and close the day. This loop is your reprogramming machine. Quiet, reliable, and strong. A 7-day starter plan to feel change fast. Day 1, write your top 3 identity statements and your top 3 if, then rules. Put them where you'll see them. Day 2, set up your environment, phone out of reach for your first focus block, tools laid out at night, sight blocker on. Day 3, do the 90-90 pairing, visualize then move, on your most important task before checking messages. Day 4, start your nightly prime. 3 wins, 2 lessons, 1 priority, plus a 60-second visualization. Day 5, track a 2-10-minute identity habit with a visible scoreboard and protect the streak. Day 6, catch and rewrite 1 I am trapped, I am anxious, to I feel anxiety or I'm learning to calm my body, then use 4-6 breathing. Day 7, review your week. Keep what worked. Replace 1 friction point. Write a short note to your future self. This is who I'm becoming and the tiny things I'll keep doing. Common mistakes to avoid and what to do instead. Don't wait for motivation. Start with 90 seconds. Don't rely on memory. Use if, then rules and cues. Don't make the first step huge. Make it so small you can't resist. Don't announce big goals to everyone in week 1. Tell 1 supportive person and collect private proof. Don't punish yourself for misses. Restart the next session. Reprogramming is progress, not perfection. If you're working through trauma, depression, or intense anxiety, please add professional support. These tools help, but they're not a substitute for therapy or medical care. Strong people ask for help. That, too, rewires your life for the better. You are not behind, you're building. Each gentle return to your new script is a rep. Each small win is new code. Each night you set tomorrow's priority, you move the edge a little farther. Keep your words clean, your actions tiny and steady, your environment supportive, and your breath long on the way out. Do that most days, and your subconscious will stop fighting you and start carrying you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.